Cybersecurity is one of those things that we all know we need to take seriously, but often put on the back burner until it's too late. In today's digital age, our personal and business data is more vulnerable than ever. It's crucial that we take the necessary steps to protect ourselves from the ever-evolving cyber threats out there. Phishing attacks are getting more sophisticated by the day. Malware and ransomware are also on the rise, with the potential to bring our entire digital lives to a grinding halt. Most of us are one click away from disaster. One wrong move, one misplaced password, one unpatched vulnerability, and our entire digital identity can be compromised. When it comes to building an ultimate defense plan, there are a few key components that we need to focus on. A strong password is like a strong lock on your front door. It's the first line of defense against would-be intruders. Keeping your software up to date is essential in protecting yourself from known vulnerabilities. VPNs create a secure tunnel between your device and the internet, protecting your data from prying eyes. It's about being proactive, staying vigilant, and staying informed. The Equifax hack was a wake-up call for many of us, highlighting the importance of being proactive when it comes to cybersecurity. Building an ultimate cyber defense plan is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires our attention and dedication. Thanks for watching. Share your cybersecurity tips in the comments and check out my related video on advanced security measures.